When I try to open the NFS Underground 2, I got this error. Please insert disk 2. To fix this problem, select the cancel and right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. And now go to search menu and type notepad. Click on open the notepad and check my video description for this text. Just copy the text and select the file on the notepad we opened and select save as and select the desktop and paste it in this file name we copied. Save as type, set this to all files and select save, and the file has been saved in desktop. As you can see, foobar. Just drag and drop to a game folder and select the continue option, and now launch the game through the newly created shortcut. The game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.